Are you a teenager who wants to support your parents? Or someone who has tried everything but hasn't made even €1 online? Or maybe you're stuck in a boring job and want to escape with something real? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. But listen carefully. If you think clicking one link will make you rich overnight, you're wrong. You can skip this video right now, because even the easiest success takes some effort and patience. But if you're ready to put in just a little smart work, then let me show you something that's actually real.
Hi, my name is Shazil. I did not show my face yet. I use an avatar for now, but once we hit 3K subscriber, I will reveal myself. So make sure you subscribe if you find this helpful. One important thing, I never share anything I have not personally tested. I have tried this method myself and even earned from it. That's why I am confidently showing it to you. Okay, before we move ahead, I just wanna say I know my voice might not sound perfect yet. I'm still learning and improving every day. So please bear with me. And I promise I will get better in every next video. Let's grow together. Alright, now let's come to the main point. So what exactly is this Temu affiliate program? Friends, Temu is a shopping app that launched in 2022 and it's exploded in popularity. It grew so fast that now it's competing directly with giants like Amazon. And the best part, Temu is not just for shopping. It's also giving people a chance to make real money through its affiliate program. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Well, if you are from Europe or any region where Temu is spotted, you can join their affiliate program and earn commission. That means if someone installs the app using your link or buy something or even become a member through your referral, you get paid for every action. The more your link is used, the more you earn. And this is 100% legit. I have personally tried it. I am sharing it with you guys. I believe in only sharing things I have tried myself, nothing fake here. So now that you understand what is Temu and how it works, let's move this step-by-step guide. Check out the screen now. Click on the link in the description and it will take you to this page. If you sign up through this link, I will get a small commission, and when someone uses your link later, you will earn too. That's how affiliate works. So here you have to scroll down and come on the bottom of this page. How I said before, my English is not good because my native language is not English. So please use caption to clearly what I say. So that I am here on the page. Here there are many options like about Temu shop, like a billionaire, affiliate, influencer, earn commission. You have to go at this link, earn and influencer, earn commission. Click on it. So let's see what to the page open. Here's the next page. Join affiliate now and get 500 available cash. It's for Pakistan currency, not for a European. If you are joined from Europe, then you will get a European currency, not like RS rupees. So for now I cancel it because I am just for demo to you for how to join affiliate program. You will come on at this page. After that you have to just join this from here. This is the option of joining option. You have to join their affiliate program through this button, and I have to click also. Let's check join now. So here you have to put your email address and continue. So I am using my Google account for you. So let's check how to do it. So from here we have to put our password of your email, which email is active. Now let's check. I have to put this is the 500 cash PayPal cash out. You can use how I say before. There are two options for withdraw, PayPal and Temu wallet. So if you are from Europe, you easily use PayPal cash out and you will withdraw this cash. Otherwise you will use Temu wallet. From Temu wallet you will shopping direct from Temu with very discount price. So I claim now. That's it. I got it. This is your cash account. All link you can withdraw through Temu credit and PayPal. I got it. So they demo you everything from here. You will get 10 to 30% commission. Okay, and download rewards. If you download the app of Temu, you will get and within 30 days, if anyone order a place within 30 days, you will reward 1000 rupees, and it's maybe 10 euro and 20 euro, different in your case. So I got it also. So this is a 15,000 copper bundle, exclusive deal for new app user, save big, etc. this is the general link. You have to save this link from copy here, because you can use this link, and if anyone join from this link and download and install app and place any order, you will get money and commission. Voice this is affiliate program, so I got it. Also there are for affiliate program influencer, hot items, invite affiliate. So I am using now for you here invite affiliate. If I invite an affiliate, if you join from my link, I will get per affiliate 4500 rupees. I have get also 250 rupees for now. This link I have to copy from here and share on you to join this link. So okay, so this is affiliate details. If anyone place an order from 0 to 400,000, then you will 10% commission, 400 to 20% commission, and if 800,000 plus, then you will get 30% commission from it. That's the game. Up to 1,000 you will, if someone each new app user acquiring the app status, you left a link, you will get 1,000 RS. Okay, maybe you have to learn from here. Now come at the second point, influencer. If you authorized, one important thing I have to say from you here, let's check here. Authorized to earn up to 36,960 carat better account data, better carat. You have to authorize your account like TikTok, YouTube and Instagram, etc. You can also add Facebook and other many options are there. So I am using my YouTube account. This is how I'm using. Put here link and you will add your account. So I am not authorized now because this is for you demo. I have already add my account on another email. Let's come to the next point. Influencer. Authorized to unlock. You have to authorize your account, and this is unlock influencer. You have 1 million audience maybe, or 10,000 followers and 1,000 follower maybe around about. This is called influencer who have audience. If you have audience, that's gold for you, because if your audience use it and trust you, then you will get many rupees. If you have not audience, then it's not a big deal. You have to make it. You have to copy the link and share in WhatsApp groups, etc., your Facebook, with your friends, and anyway, who will click on your link and you will get commission. I have to come hot items. This is the items. This is very important thing for earn. Let's check. If you share this item from here and anyone who click on this link buy this item, then you will get commission from here. Let's check. Maximum commission 1,013 rupees. This is very best. You can choose from any item with your interest, and you think my audience have interest in watches, you can choose, but choose from here. You have to know that choose just item from this icon. Now the next point is invite affiliate, and you will join if affiliated program, then I will earn commission and you will also earn commission. People who want to join affiliate programs and want to earn online, he will get also benefits of this, and he will get earn money from here. That's the 4 points from Temu which are uses for earn. Okay, so yeah, this is a simple and real method to earn online. I truly suggest you to give it a try, and if you stay consistent, you will start seeing results within a month. If you found this video helpful in any way, please hit that subscribe button. I will keep bringing more honest and valuable content like this. No fake hype, just real stuff that works. My goal is to guide 3 types of people: young teens around 12 to 18 who need a clear direction in life, those between 18 to 15 years who are struggling and want to build something real, and even people between 25 to 40 age who feel stuck and just need a way out. So if you are one of them, please support me and let's grow together. Also, don't forget to drop your age and country in the comment. I really wanna know who is watching, and if anyone wants to talk me to personally, just send me an email. I will definitely reply and try to help. Lastly, if you think I can improve something, just tell me in the comments. I will read everyone and keep making it better. Thank you.